Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude verification code not received issue. So if you're trying to log in and you're not getting the OTP or verification code, just follow along. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If needed, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try again. Next, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off again. After that, double check the email address or phone number you entered. Even a small mistake can stop the verification code from being sent. Now check your spam or junk folder if you're using email login. Sometimes the code ends up there instead of your main inbox. Next, make sure the Claude app is updated to the latest version. For that, you need to go to App Store. Search for Claude and then install any updates available. If it's still not working, try uninstalling the app completely and then reinstall it again. You should also wait a few minutes before requesting another code. Sometimes multiple requests can delay the delivery of new codes. If the issue still continues, restart your phone or device and then try again. So those are some easy ways to fix the Claude verification code not received issue. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.